Welcome to this lesson on PowerShell Gallery. PowerShell Gallery is the central repository for PowerShell modules. Think of it as an app store, but specifically for PowerShell tools and extensions. It's the official Microsoft repository where developers and the community share their PowerShell modules. Whether you're looking to extend PowerShell's capabilities or want to share your own work, PowerShell Gallery is the place to go. PowerShell Gallery serves four main purposes. First, it's the official Microsoft repository, meaning it's trusted and maintained by Microsoft itself. Second, you can discover community modules created by developers worldwide, giving you access to thousands of pre-built solutions. Third, it allows you to install modules instantly with simple commands, saving you time and effort. And fourth, if you've created your own modules, you can publish them to the gallery and share them with the PowerShell community. It's a complete ecosystem for module distribution and discovery. Accessing PowerShell Gallery is straightforward. Simply visit www.powershellgallery.com in your web browser. From there, you can browse through thousands of available modules, read their descriptions, and view statistics. But here's the best part. You don't even need to use the website. You can search for and install modules directly from your PowerShell console using built-in commands. This gives you the flexibility to work however you prefer, whether through a visual interface or command line. To find modules from PowerShell, you use the find-module cmdlet. For example, find-module-name followed by a string in quotes like as*, will search for all modules starting with as. The asterisk is a wildcard character that matches anything. You can also search with wildcards in different positions. For instance, find-module-name *Azure*, will find any module that contains the word Azure anywhere in its name. This flexible search capability helps you quickly locate the exact modules you need. Once you've found a module you want, installing it is simple. Use the install-module cmdlet followed by the name parameter and the module name in quotes. For example, install-module-name pester will download and install the pester module. By default, modules install for all users on the system, which requires administrator privileges. If you want to install a module just for yourself without admin rights, add the scope parameter set to current user. This installs the module only in your user profile directory. Keeping your modules up to date is important for security and accessing new features. The update-module cmdlet handles this for you. To update a specific module, use update-module-name followed by the module name in quotes, like pester. If you want to update all installed modules at once, simply run update-module without any parameters. PowerShell will check the gallery for newer versions of all your installed modules and update them automatically. It's recommended to update your modules regularly. PowerShell Gallery provides several important features to help you choose the right modules. First, you can view download statistics and popularity metrics to see which modules are widely used and trusted by the community. Second, each module has version history and release notes, so you can track changes and improvements over time. Third, digital signatures are available for verified publishers, giving you confidence in the module's authenticity. And fourth, you'll find detailed documentation and examples for most modules, making it easier to understand how to use them effectively. When working with PowerShell Gallery, follow these best practices. Always review module details and download counts before installing. High download numbers usually indicate a module is trusted and well-maintained. Check the publisher information and look for digital signatures to ensure you're getting legitimate modules from verified sources. Keep your modules updated regularly for security patches and new features. And finally, read the documentation and community feedback. User reviews and comments can provide valuable insights about a module's reliability and functionality. Following these practices will help you build a secure and efficient PowerShell environment.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.